What up, Popheads? How y'all doing today? I'm doing great. You know what to do if you're new to my channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Show your love. We're on the way to 1,000 subscribers. 103 right now, but we on our way. Go ahead and hit that like bell also. Thank you. Let's begin. You can see, went to 2 stores this weekend, or this week rather. Books A Million, BAM, of course. FYE, as I call it, FI, for your entertainment. Let's go ahead and start this thing off with Books A Million. Oh, and it's another The Boys Pop. If you haven't seen this show, go ahead and check it out on Prime, Amazon Prime. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it. It's A-Train. He has super speed. Then again, he's hyped up on medicine, which makes him even faster. Out of control. I think he ends up having a heart attack or something. Box number 983. Fastest man on the planet. Got the deep right there. Yep, got the deep still right there. Had to get the deep sooner or later. So we got Billy Butcher, Homelander, Huey, Queen Maeve, Translucent, Starlight, A-Train, and the Homelander with the glowing red eyes. Of course, y'all know Homelander's pretty much the equivalent of Superman. He can do almost anything Superman does. Glowing eyes, that means he has laser eyes. So who am I missing on here? I'm missing Billy Butcher, I'm missing Huey, and I'm missing Queen Maeve and Homelander with the glowing eyes. Then again, I'm missing Starlight, the Amazon exclusive Starlight, and the Chase of Starlight. So I'm gonna have to get those. A-Train from Books A Million. Good find. Pretty sure that's gonna be in the collective. Let's hop into this FYE exclusive right here. If y'all haven't seen this movie, check it out, because this is one of the best movies I've seen this year. And this is Godzilla vs. King Kong. Box 1018. Glow in the dark. FYE exclusive. Heat Ray Godzilla. Glows in the dark. His eyes glow in the dark. And he has his heat breath right there. You stick that in his mouth, I guess, and you turn the lights off and it glows. Bad thing about this box is they're all bent up in the top. FYE had like 7 or 8 of these. They were all up front behind the counter. And I asked to see every last one of them. And every last one had a dent or a ding or a rip somewhere. This just happened to be the best one they had. Heat Ray Godzilla. Got a little heft to it too. It's kind of heavy. See, you stick that heat ray thing in his mouth and it glows in the dark. So we got 10-inch Godzilla, 10-inch Kong, Godzilla, Heat Ray Godzilla, Mecha Godzilla. There's a Funko Shop exclusive Mecha Godzilla that glows. Battle Ready Kong, Kong with Battle Axe, Battle Scar Kong. I'm telling you, if you haven't seen this movie, watch it. It's good. It's a good movie. Last but not least, from FYE, we have Aaliyah. R&B, pop singer, hip hop artist. Tragically killed in that airplane accident coming back home from a video shoot, I think. She has some nice music. She sang with Timberland a lot, Missy Elliott. Got put her in my hip hop section. The TLC and Salt and Pepper and Run DMC, Eazy-E and Dr. Dre and Eminem. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a good collector's edition right here. There we have it for this Funko Saturday. Aaliyah, Ray GODZILLA and A-Train. Until next week, we'll be Funko Saturday again. Peace out.